What is going on, guys? In today's video, we are going to be obtaining the butterfly knife in a private match. Not public. Private match. AKA custom game. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, you're going to want to go on setup game. And then pick any game mode you want. It doesn't matter. But I picked Team Deathmatch because that's the only one I think you could. That I've been on that I could do it. I don't know. I haven't tried the other ones yet. So, you're going to want to go on competitive, right? Then you're gonna want to go on to where it says create a class, press weapons, then restrict everything. Only in weapons, right? Until you get to the last one. Just keep restricting till you get to the last section. So, yeah, after you restricted everything, go there and where you see like butterfly knives, brass knuckles, and all that. The weapons you want to get, don't restrict them. Actually, go all the way to the side to where it says protect, and protect all of them, right? Sadly, you cannot get the what are those called? Brass knuckles? Yeah, you can't get those, so, yeah. So you're gonna want to put as many boxes you want to, or, yeah, as many as you want to. And just start the game up. Let's wait for this game to start. So, guys, this is the second video I made, and I'm not gonna stop because I don't want to go in a 1 week streak without making videos again. It's gonna be fucking bad. I almost cried when I found out I had a week without videos. Like, nah, I didn't cry, but damn, that's a long time, a week. So look, you're not gonna have any weapons. I spawned on the enemy team, yeah, so I'm stupid. So yeah, you're gonna spawn in with fist only and a grenade. You don't restrict that, right? So you're just gonna go to the box. And me, I went to the wrong side. So yeah, that's nice. But yeah, go kill some bots, right? But I got scared. I thought I was gonna die. I thought I was gonna die. Yeah, I don't know. You guys thought he had the double. But then I got it. Butterfly knife. Look, I got a butterfly knife. I've never used it. Look at that sexy ass end of it. Oh my fucking. Guys, I need you to do this right now. In real life. Like, you don't do it. Like, you don't have to do it. Watch it, you can. This is just great, guys. Look at that wrench. Black Ops 3 so long. I played it since the first day it came out. And the first day that this stuff came out, I had never seen in-game anywhere. Just imagine this is the Xbox, and you get that. How happy would you fucking if you cannot find that anywhere? So, yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna leave the clip going, but yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video.